If you don't subscribe this game, you gonna see me on the field. I'm gonna pop you, I'm gonna blur you, and I'm gonna score.
88 out the gate. Out the gate. Out the gate. Out the gate.
Who's got 36?
Go!
Because then I lose my train of thought. I do wish I knew.
Hey, that boy too nice, man. 4-2 too nice. Hey, stop playing with that man. Stop playing with that boy, man. Stop playing with that.
Some funny vs lobby.
That's how.
Guys, move back!
You already know what it is. UNOVISION. Tap in right now. UNOVISION. You know?
Hey, what you rocking with today, man?
You know, I got the Canon R6 with the Sigma lens.
Watch that whip, bro. Watch the whip out here by 4. Pick, G.
Nobody hit! Don't hit nobody! Don't hit nobody! Don't hit nobody!
Face mask. Here.
Get in there, Coop. Lock it, Coop. Get up there, Coop.
Don't get lazy on that
Doesn't have to do that.
Cooper!
Stay with me. Come here and watch. Watch. I want you watching what their defense is doing.
Hit it, don't move! Good job, Elijah! Hey guys, let's keep it.
They gotta stay still, man. back. Move on. Coach Lewis. You gotta get in there. I know. DJ, move out. 10 yards. Move out, Connor. 10 yards. Go. Find the ball. Run right.
Gone. Gone. Man.
One more touchdown.
This is one more.
1 o'clock.
Okay, are you ready?
It's about to be 1 o'clock.
9 is out there. 9 is out there.
Ready. Go, Malachi. Don't wave your hands. Hey, you don't have to do that.
What number that was? Same thing, man.
Let's go, Gators!
In Miami.
Look at the ref.
Come on, Gators!
Let's go, Gators! I swear, it's like.
Go!
Hey, coach. Tight end, you thought
Maybe. That's how we're doing right now.
Run, Cooper!
Go! Cut!
Get that ball!
Line, keep it up!
Got the pass. Pass up on the feet.
That way! More! Pass! Over! Pass! That's it, Miles! Let's go! Hey, Martha! Mile number 2! You're off. Line her off. 35. You want him to receive it? Go! I get it! Get up, Malachi! Looking out the white lines. Come up to this side. Go up! Yeah, right there! Yeah! Go, let's go, Makai, get in there! Go!
41 zip, go!
41 is second half. Crazy. 41 is second half.
Too easy.
That boy got a touchdown, boy.
Easy dubs.
Come on, man. Who's gonna get an interception, bro?
Come on.
The bank called, they told me to deposit it. Let's go!
All right.
catch.
13 got the catch. Yeah.
Hey, let's go. Give me a highlight, man.
Receive! Great block, dog. Great block, dog.
He's got to hit the hole.
Can't mess with us. Talking all that. Ain't did nothing so far.
That boy's chilling. Y'all boys just hanging out.
I'm pretty much done for the day. Number 1 11 in the nation. Best of the nation. Let's go, Warriors.
Go, attack!
Catch me!
Got one! Oh, yeah, right now! Yeah, Juju!
Great job. Boy, hit him with the boom.
Watch him!
Oh.
Let's go, Quinn! Subscribe to UNOVISIONH.I.M.
That to them.
I had to.
Go! In the middle! Inside! Push the ball! Inside on the middle! Oh, you missed the hole. Let's go, Ron, in the middle!
What's up, man?
Chat, we play that too, bro. Yeah, we come for y'all, boys. Stop playing. Best show in the nation. Come down to Naples and watch the levy, bro. Subscribe to UNOVISIONH. Oh yeah, come watch Kenny.
I like that.
Go for the ball! Go for the ball!
Hey, this is a rival. Little more, this is a rival. Go for the ball. If you don't subscribe this game, you gonna see me on the field. I'm gonna pop you, I'm gonna blur you, and I'm gonna score.
Running clock?
Running clock.
It's too easy, too easy.
How do we feel?
Hey guys, listen. Hey, every week we're getting better and better. Great job, Chris. Hey, and a punt return touchdown that did not get called back this time. Listen, defense, when you're flying around with the ball like that and you're making those plays, guys, that's what changes the game for the offensive side. It makes it easier for the offense, it makes it easier for the coaches. Defense, you got to keep dominating games, okay? I know 53 points there, most of that's offense. It wouldn't happen without the defense getting ball back, all right? I'm super proud of you guys. A good win, a really good win. We knew we were going to come out here and dominate today. We executed on every level. Bam, great throws today. Receivers, great catching, all right? O-line, keep blocking, no sacks. Let's keep it that way. Keep them off the quarterback. Keep them off of Bam and Juju, okay? Hey, super proud of you guys. Have a great weekend. We got 2 more weeks, guys. 2 more weeks till finish. All right? Biggest game of y'all's little lives. All right? Let's go out and execute next week. 3 days of good practice. Be there. And to reiterate what I said on Thursday, guys, get your homework done before you come to practice. All right? You guys are old enough to know that you have responsibility to school first, and you have responsibility to the team to be there. All right? So get your homework done. If you need help, talk to one of the other players, talk to the coaches, we'll get you set up. Bring it to practice. I don't care, but we need you out here. All right? Have a great weekend, man. I'll see you Friday, guys.